Understanding no delivery fees, a simple guide. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to unravel the meaning and use of a very common phrase in shopping and services: no delivery fees. If you've ever ordered something online or planning to, this is a term you'll want to understand clearly. So, let's dive in. When you see the phrase, no delivery fees, it means that the company or seller is not charging any extra cost for delivering the product to your doorstep. Typically, when you buy something online, there might be an additional charge for the service of bringing the item from the store to your home. This charge is commonly known as a delivery fee, shipping charge, or postage. However, if a service offers no delivery fees, you only pay for the product itself, and the delivery is essentially free. There are a few reasons why a company might choose to offer no delivery fees. 1. Promotion. Companies often waive delivery fees during special promotions to attract more customers. 2. Customer loyalty. To keep customers coming back, businesses might remove delivery fees for regular customers or members. 3. Competitive edge. In a market with many competitors, offering free delivery can make a service more appealing compared to others that charge extra for delivery. While no delivery fees sounds great, there are a couple of things you should be aware of. 1. Minimum purchase requirement. Sometimes, to qualify for no delivery fees, you might need to buy products worth a certain amount. 2. Hidden costs. Ensure there are no other hidden costs that might be added to your bill, like service charges or handling fees. And there you have it. Understanding the term, no delivery fees, can save you from unexpected costs and make your online shopping experience much smoother. We hope this video helps you shop smarter and more efficiently. Don't forget to hit the like button if you found this information useful, and subscribe for more content like this. Happy shopping and see you in the next video.